Hi, Kate.
Ito na.
Hello. Pwede palagay ng mic?
Asa ka nisi?
Palagay.
Grace, bebe, yung bag na, saan yung bag? Aki na nga, kaya aki.
So, ako as usual, sabik ang lahat sa ulam tungkol kay Tatay Digong. How's he doing today? How's your visit today?
It was good today. So today, it was like usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like a selection of snacks and beverages to choose from again. And as usual, he went for the Coke, and today he went for the cookie pancake. And as we started talking, first, of course, nangamusta siya sa family. To me, to my mom, and to my siblings. Ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And then I threw the question back, okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that is happening. He said na, because my father is a very big believer in fate and destiny, so he said it verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palm and he said it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay kung anong nasa palad ko, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a hard experience in life. I said yes. Ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks, and he really likes the pancake ba yun.
Okay.
So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was, akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did he eat today? Sabi niya, yes naman. He had chicken and rice today. So he's really good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Mira, yung baby girl namin. And he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niyang mention si Soling, saan si Soling. And then, parang a different kind of like beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya nakamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today, and he was happy to see me. And anong araw ba ngayon? It's
Tuesday.
So, he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said, of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they are children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan na current affairs sa Philippines?
Hindi, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places,
Second.
Second, yeah, in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Torre. I told him na, oh, you know, si Kuya Baste, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
CVP, I don't know, but I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Yeah, may mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again from the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo?
Kim.
Sino mga first-timers? Go. Monica and Martina. Picture. Nasaan ang picture?
Dito,
Sino
dito,
may
dito.
camera? Yan. Oo.
Three.
Konti lang naman tayo. We can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile! Okay. Sa'yo.
Ito ma'am, kanila to.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay. Husband and wife from New York. Camera mo.
Lavi, ka na.
Camera.
Mangalit ka na.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Dubai! Dubai!
Pwede pa kung ano na.
Nawala na si Dubai. Ikaw. No from, ano? From?
Yatag na sa kuha ni Manakbay.
Switzerland, yeah.
Ayun.
Go, go, go. Switzerland. Hindi, wala ka. 1, 2,
Bibiling ko sana yan eh. Oo.
okay.
Alam ma'am, pili naka-first timer ma'am. Uy,
Kung lalab. Ay, Bre.
Ano na kayo?
Alam mo,
Pera kaya?
Okay, kaya.
Design dito. Kasi siya yung ano, yan yung yan yung ano na yung painting.
nag-improve na yung lighting ko.
Pila na rito. Pila, pila.
Yan. Sampay. Jordan.
Update ni
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Next. Sino next? Camera mo.
Di ba ito nga videohan ang katong nag-share pa sa akin? Hindi po. Diyan sa ano mo? Dito ako sa
First timer.
kasi galit pa naman yun siya.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Okay na ba?
Sa mga picture sabi
Okay na?
Ate Kitty.
Pasok. Tinatanong ko nga kung sino eh. Wala pa. Attorney pa. Ano dito? Ah, sige. Si Pinoy in Holland. Ah, ito na. Ito na. Oh, si Pinoy in Holland. Si Pinoy in Holland. So, tapos, 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, ikaw. 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 Ah, ikaw. Ah. Sige, Ting. Okay, wala ka ng picture. Ikaw, Gina.
Are you queuing? Okay. Queue from this
Vine.
Yes, sir.
Queue from this side.
It's up to you.
Video lang. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Let's do that side.
Go.
Okay. Now queue up that
Okay.
side. That side.
Thank you. Oh, that's good.